Hi, this is an Eat It Drink It how-to video all about the Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro cleaning machine. We're going to talk you through all of the maintenance steps that you need to know how to do to keep your machine working correctly. Hi, we're going to talk through how to replace the edging brush on the Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro models. You can see I'm looking at the front left-hand side of the machine as I'm looking at the front of the machine here. And we've got the inspection hatch where we would normally open to replace or service the rollers. If we open up this door, it gives us really easy access to the side brush there. And to remove the side brush, all we need to do is just push down hard on the yellow plastic fins. The brush will pop out. You can see this brush is quite worn. It's actually still in reasonable condition. You can see I've obviously got some debris trapped in there which I can remove, but ultimately if your brush is looking worn or you're missing a lot of the fibers, it needs to be replaced. I have a brand new one here. You can see this is how a new brush should look. The bristles are all close to each other. They're all of a similar length. There are some guide bristles that you can see, which are basically to show you when the brush has worn down and needs to be replaced. To insert the new brush, all I need to do is line that up with the pin just underneath here, and it's magnetic. It'll click into place straight away. Just hold those brushes out the way with your hand as you close the inspection door, and that completes the replacement of the edging brush on the Phantas and Phantas Pro.